Did you know that many people have kidney problems that they are unaware of, according to the National Kidney Foundation? The National Institutes of Health estimates that over 800 million people worldwide suffer from chronic renal disease. This indicates that it is critical for everyone, including you, to take great care of your kidneys. You are responsible for it, nobody else will take care of it for you. What you do on a daily basis will determine whether your kidneys stay healthy or become damaged. That's why I want to share 5 veggies with you in this video that you can throw in a salad for breakfast every morning and that can help strengthen and maintain the health of your kidneys. From now on, you should be worried about the condition of your kidneys because managing or even curing this type of sickness is really expensive. Before we look at these 5 vegetables, it will be essential for us to first of all discover the benefits or the reasons why these 5 vegetables can help you maintain a healthy kidney. And make sure to watch till the end because there is a gift for you which you don't want to miss out. These 5 vegetables would be revealed in a second, but let's look at their health benefit first. 1. Rich in antioxidant. When the 5 veggies are combined, their high vitamin, mineral, and phytochemical content provides the kidneys with antioxidants. They are a fantastic source of minerals like zinc and manganese, as well as vitamins A, C, and E, which all function as potent antioxidants to fight kidney inflammation and oxidative stress. When combined, these veggies offer a wide range of antioxidants that support kidney health and general well-being. 2. Rich in fiber. These veggies are high in dietary fiber, providing an abundance of fiber that promotes healthy kidney function and general well-being. Fiber facilitates the removal of waste materials from the body, such as toxins and excess minerals that can strain the kidneys, and it also helps with digestion and bowel movement regulation, reducing constipation. Furthermore, the soluble fiber in these veggies lowers blood sugar and cholesterol, lowering the risk of kidney damage brought on by diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Fiber also helps with satiety and weight management, both of which are important for kidney health and avoiding issues from obesity. You may support your kidneys and have a filling, healthy lunch by including these high-fiber veggies in your diet. 3. Low in phosphorus. They are good options for people trying to manage kidney disease or preserve healthy kidney function because they are noticeably low in phosphorus. Overconsumption of phosphorus can have a negative impact on kidney health, especially in individuals with impaired kidney function, since it can cause mineral imbalances and problems including bone disease. By choosing low-phosphorus veggies, you can lessen the strain on your kidneys and lower your chance of developing problems brought on by phosphorus retention. Aside from boosting kidney health and general well-being, including these phosphorus-friendly vegetables in your diet will let you enjoy a wide range of nutrient-dense dishes. 4. High in potassium. Bell peppers, zucchini, and spinach are part of these 5 vegetables. Their high potassium content makes them stand out as a natural supply of this vital mineral, which supports the functioning of the kidneys among other body functions. Potassium is essential for blood pressure regulation, electrolyte balance, and fluid balance, all of which are necessary for the best possible kidney function. Eating foods high in potassium helps counterbalance the negative effects of salt, lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease and renal damage, and supporting healthy blood pressure levels. While potassium intake may need to be monitored in persons with renal disease, including these potassium-rich vegetables in a balanced diet can still help those with healthy kidneys in many ways, promoting overall kidney health and well-being. These are some advantages of having these 5 vegetables for breakfast. These 5 veggies are broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, bell peppers, and spinach. Although you can include these vegetables in your regular meals, eating them as a meal first thing in the morning will help give your body the nutritional boost it needs to promote kidney function all day long. Eating these vegetables for breakfast will help to improve digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and increase satiety, all of which can help you eat healthier throughout the day. A nutrient-dense breakfast salad made with spinach, bell peppers, zucchini, cauliflower, and broccoli is a great way to start the day since it offers a variety of antioxidants, fiber, and other vital nutrients that help your kidneys perform at their best. Moreover, the hydration that these high-water veggies offer replenishes lost fluids during the night and promotes renal function by assisting in the removal of waste and toxins. You can create a long-lasting healthy eating pattern that supports your kidneys and general well-being by making nutrient-rich foods like these veggies a priority in the morning. Time for the gift. There is a free guide on more advanced foods to eat and avoid, habits to put a stop to and habits to embrace in order to protect your kidneys and overall health in the description that I recommend you download. So ladies and gentlemen, always remember that those who search for solutions will find answers. So keep learning. If you learned something from this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss out on future health videos and share with your loved ones. Also, watch these videos that have popped up on your screen for further health knowledge. Thank you for watching and until next time, stay vibrant and stay healthy.